In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cylinder head temperature sensor on your Ford Focus. This will be located right under the valve cover. Let's get started. When performing this job, you will need an extra deep 19mm socket. A standard 19mm socket will not fit onto this sensor. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the top nut. Pull the pole out and lift the bracket up. Remove the plastic shield. Remove the bracket. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal. Pull the negative terminal off, put it to the side. To give ourselves a little bit more room, we're going to remove the coil. To do this, we're going to remove the connector, press on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using an 8mm socket, remove the bolt. Pull the coil straight up and out. Pull up on the grommet. That's the connector for our sensor. The tab for it is right on the side. Push on the tab, pull straight up. It is a very tight fit. You can use a pair of pliers. If you do, be very careful about this plastic tab. They can be brittle. Pull that off to the side. Using a specialty 19mm socket, we're going to get onto the sensor. Remove the sensor. Install the sensor. Get it started by hand. Torque the sensor to 9 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the rubber grommet. If you remove the coil, reinstall it now. Snug the bolt down. Reinstall the connector. Install the negative battery terminal. Snug it down. Install the cover. Install the bracket. Pull the pole out. Install it into the bracket and snug the nut down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.